ordinal numbers. Jojo is excited as his mother's birthday is round the corner. One day, Jojo's friend Sunio came to his house.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm planning for my mom's birthday celebration. Her birthday is on the 3rd of August. Oh, that's great. But Jojo, your mother's birthday is on the 3rd of August, not the 3rd of August. When we talk about positions, we use ordinal numbers such as first, second, third, and so on. Let's learn some ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th.
Let us recall. When we talk about positions, we use ordinal numbers such as first, second, third, and so on.